Let us see the digital electronics, different codes we are using. What are the various codes we are using in digital electronics? That is weighted codes, non-weighted codes, reflective codes, and error checking codes. Four types of codes we are using in digital electronics. What is weighted code? A weighted code is obeys positional weight. Positional weight will be there for binary number or BCD code. Suppose if we consider a binary number 1001, then it obeys a positional number. Suppose if it is a 1001, the position MSB will be 2 power 4, like that. It will be 4 bit. The weighted code will be 4 bit or 8 bit mostly. It is the fast and efficient system that converts decimal numbers into binary numbers as compared to existing binary numbers. ఈ weighted codes అనేటివి బైనరీ నెంబర్స్ సపోజ్ 1 and 1 ఇలా ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి. బైనరీ నెంబర్ 1 0 1, then it is a binary number or BCD code for this is 2 power 0 we have to use. It is a weighted code 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. It is a 2 power 2. The weight of the position of the code is, suppose the bit is in MSB, it is 2 power 2, 2 power 1, it is, the position will be there. Suppose if you want to convert into decimal number, we have to multiply 2 square into 1 plus, or it is a 8421 code. It is a BCD code 8421 code. It obeys weight. Where does not weight obeys, it is weight will not be obeyed by the codes. Those are only, it will be converted codes from binary code to XS3 code, gray code are the example. దీనికి వెయిట్స్ ఉండవు అనమాట. XS3 కోడ్ అంటే ఒక నెంబర్ 101, it is a 8 plus 1 9, it is a 9 plus 3, if we add 12 we will get. That is XS3 code does not obeys weight ఉండదు అనమాట. గ్రే కోడ్ కూడా అంతే, వెయిట్ ఉండదు కాబట్టి నాన్ వెయిటెడ్ కోడ్స్ అంటారు. దీంట్లోనూ వెయిటెడ్ కోడ్స్ అంటే పొజిషనల్గా వెయిట్ ఉంటుంది, అంటే 2 power 0 కానీ 16 power 0 కానీ 8 power 0 కానీ. రిఫ్లెక్టివ్ కోడ్ అంటే XS3 code is reflective code. It is a complementary code also, but there is no weight. Let us see error detecting codes are Hamming code and parity code. An error in digital signal, whatever the digital signal we are transferring, ఒక ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఇంకో ప్లేస్కి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తుంటారు కదా డిజిటల్ సిగ్నల్, ఎర్రర్ చెకింగ్ కోడ్ ఈస్ హ్యామింగ్ కోడ్ ఆర్ ప్యారిటీ చెక్కర్. ఇవి వాడుతుంటారు అనమాట. BEEలో మనకు ఈ 3 వరకే ఉంది కోడ్, 3 కోడ్స్ మాత్రమే. లెట్ us see binary coded decimal, BCD code. Binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal is another process of converting decimal numbers into binary equivalents. Each digit is represented by 4-bit number generally. BCD code is 8421. The positional weights assigned to each binary digit is BCD code is 8421. That is 2 power 0 అనమాట. బైనరీ నెంబర్ నుంచి డెసిమల్ కన్వర్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం ఈచ్ బిట్ విల్ బి కన్సిడర్ 2 power 0, 2 power 3. 8421 BCD కోడ్ వచ్చేసి మనం కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం పొజిషనల్ వెయిట్స్ అనమాట. సపోజ్ 8421 ఇట్ ఈస్ 2 cube 2 square 2 power 1 2 power 0. పాయింట్స్ తర్వాత ఉంటే 2 power minus 1 will be considered. 2 power minus 1 యూజ్ చేస్తారు. అదర్ BCD కోడ్స్ లైక్ 7421 ఆల్సో BCD కోడ్, 5421 ఆల్సో ఎగ్జిస్ట్. ఇది BCD కోడ్ అనమాట. కన్వర్షన్ టు డెసిమల్ టు BCD you can see. Normally these are generally used in digital displays where the manipulation of data is a quite task. Conversion from decimal to BCD, you can see here it is a 4-bit A 0 will be represented like this, 1 will be represented like this, 2 will be represented like 1 0 like this. If you consider this one 6, here we can write code 8421. 8421. It is a 4, it is a 2, it is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, remaining all zeros. BCD code will be like this. BCD codes invalid for the numbers between 0, 0, 0, 0 to 111. 16 numbers, but BCD only first 10 codes are used, 0, 0, 0 to 11. It is remaining codes, invalid BCD codes. Okay, what is BCD code? Simply 8421 we are using. Suppose conversion of bigger decimal number to BCD. Suppose bigger decimal number, one number is there. 964 is a decimal number. It is very big. Binary equivalent first we have to write. For 9, 8421 if you apply 8, it is 8 and this is 1. 9. Similarly 6 we written 6 ఇలా రాసాం 4 ఇలా రాసాం. Therefore 964 decimal can be written directly. We can write bigger number ఈ విధంగా we can write. Smallest number in BCD is 000 and largest is 10001. That is 9 only. The BCD code simple గా ఈ విధంగా చెప్పొచ్చు. 8421 code 4 bit. Comparison with binary. BCD code comparison with binary. If you compare, it is less efficient than binary since conversion of decimal number into BCD needs more bits than binary. Because binary లో అయితే మనకు less bits ఉంటాయి. If you convert BCD code, more bits will come. Advantage of BCD codes is similar to decimal number system. చూడడానికి suppose one number BCD code convert means it is similar to decimal number system. We need to remember binary equivalents of decimal number 0 to 9 only. Conversion of BCD to BCD decimal is very simple. This is the BCD code. Simply what we are applying 8421 code, we have to apply BCD code.